Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to copy a list in Python. Okay, so let's start. So you cannot copy a list simply by typing list2 is equal to list1, because list2 will only be a reference to list1, and changes made in list1 will automatically also be made in list2. So this is not the way to make a copy. This is just a reference, or we can say just two names of the same list. Okay, so there are ways to make copy. One way is to use built-in list method called copy. Okay, to try this, let's use this code example. Okay, this list is equal to apple, banana and cherry. So our list is ready. Okay, now we say my list is equal to this list dot copy, right? And if we now print my list, okay, it has same elements. So these two are now two different lists, list1, this list and my list, but they have similar items: apple, banana and cherry. Okay, another way to make a copy is to use a built-in method list. Okay, so this is second method we will see now. Right. Fine. So this list is there. We will say my list is equal to list this list and enter and print my list. So now we have used list method, and this one, okay, a built-in method, right, list, and we have made a copy of this list which is called my list. Okay guys, I will wrap up my video here. Here we have learned how to make copy of a list. I'll be back with another video about Python programming language soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.